Hi Kaylee, how are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good, Blair. How are you?
I'm good. How has this week been for you with school?
This week has been pretty laid back regarding school.
Yeah.
I really haven't had as many tests. If I've had tests, they've been pretty lenient. We're getting to that point in the semester where I guess my teachers are kind of helping us out instead of pressuring us with more tests and hard schoolwork.
Well, that's good. Yeah, because I've talked to a lot of people and everyone seems to be having a really stressful week this week with school.
I think with my major, it's more, like, I consider my major more the easier side of the spectrum. And I do have a couple hard classes, but all the ones, they're kind of just, like, laying it back easy. Like, I had a take-home test this week, which was really nice.
Super nice, yeah.
So I have that to do this weekend. I've been really just studying for my harder test. That's going to be in, like, 2 weeks, but I've already started for that.
That's good. Yeah.
I've had online tests for one of my classes every time, so that's been really nice.
Yeah.
But besides that one class that I have that's really hard, others just seem like very easy. Next semester looks a lot harder for me as I'm about to enroll next week. So looking at that, it looks way harder.
Yeah.
I have, like, longer classes.
What about next semester is going to be harder for you, do you feel like?
I have an 8 a.m. twice a week, which I haven't been really used to.
Yeah.
And it goes from my 8 a.m. to a lab that's 5 hours long.
Wait, a 5-hour lab? That's crazy.
Because my major is hotel and restaurant administration.
Okay.
And there's a cooking lab. And so those can't really be shortened. Like, your cooking takes a long time, so that's 5 hours. But the good thing is I have Friday classes off. Okay. So that, I appreciate that.
Yeah, that is nice. So, are you one of those people that cooks, like, in the restaurant in Human Sciences?
So there's Taylor's Dining, and, like, from what I can tell, I'm not for sure, but it's basically like you're working there without getting paid.
Yeah. How are you feeling about doing that?
Since I already took this cooking class my first semester, freshman year, so by doing that, like, I feel like it'll be about the same, so I'm not too worried about it. And if it's a 5-credit class, like, it can't be super hard. Yeah. Where you fail it easily.
Yeah. Well, that's good. I actually was at one of the little, I forgot what it's called, but it's the restaurant at Human Sciences.
West Side?
Yeah. And everyone there, they were all students.
Yeah, they all
and it was
work.
Interesting to see. Yeah.
I haven't had to do that yet. I think I'll just do Taylor's Dining. And I think another class requires me to work at the Atherton.
Yeah.
The hotel. It's what a lot of my major does. They work at the Atherton, West Side, Taylor's Dining, and also Ranchers.
That's really cool. So what exactly do you have to do? Like, what do you have to know and learn in order to be able to, like, work there and do all of those things?
That's something I'll have to find out.
Okay.
But I'm pretty sure you're just, like, because Taylor's Dining is a buffet, and I'm pretty sure what they do is they just cook the food for the buffet for those students that have their meal plans.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, how are you feeling about having 2 weeks left? Are you stressed, nervous, excited?
I love it. I love it. I went home the other day to vote, so being home was pretty nice, and that'll be exciting for Thanksgiving. It just seems like it'll fly by because our weekends are very busy. Yeah. We have a lot going on still.
Yeah. Well, how do you feel grade-wise? Are you happy with where you're at?
My grades seem good in the easier classes. My harder class, I'm struggling on. That's why I've been studying for a test that's 2 weeks away. So hopefully by starting so early, things will turn out better for that.
Well, it's good that we only have 2 weeks. Not even 2 weeks. I mean, basically.
And then we get back, and it's dead week. Finals week.
Yeah.
So it's the first semester.
Yeah, I was looking at my agenda, and we have basically 2.5 weeks left, which is crazy.
I don't know what I'm going to do we have 5 weeks of Christmas break.
Yeah. Well, yeah. What finals do you have to take, or do you have to take all of your finals?
I have to take them all. This is the first semester I've had to take all my finals on the same week. Some won't have finals, and some will do them at a different time.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I'm glad to see that you're having a good semester and that your grades are going well, and I'm excited to see you next time.
Thank you.